Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the latest news and chart data for you, so you can understand the trends that move the market. Today, October 3rd, 2024, we're diving into Bitcoin, specifically the BTCUSD pair, and seeing if this crypto titan is ready for a comeback. The recent Google search results reveal a wave of negative sentiment surrounding Bitcoin, with headlines like, Bitcoin tumbles back towards $60,000 as tensions in the Middle East rise, and Bitcoin crumbles to $60,000, giving up most post-Fed rate cut gains, painting a picture of weakness. This downturn seems to be linked to the escalating geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, as the conflict has triggered consecutive daily declines of almost 4% in Bitcoin's price. However, the news isn't entirely bleak, with some analysts remaining optimistic about Bitcoin's long-term potential. Jerome Powell's recent hints at imminent interest rate cuts at the Jackson Hole Symposium sparked a Bitcoin surge past $63,000, and some experts believe that this could be a significant catalyst for a bullish run. The overall market sentiment is cautious, with investors weighing the economic outlook and uncertain about Bitcoin's immediate direction. While October and November are historically strong months for Bitcoin, it remains unclear whether the cryptocurrency will rebound this year. But many remain optimistic that Bitcoin will reach new highs in the new quarter. Now, let's delve into the charts to see how Bitcoin is performing technically. Looking at the one-day chart, we can see that Bitcoin has been trending downwards since the beginning of October. This downtrend is evident in the string of red candles, indicating that the closing price was lower than the opening price for each day. This decline has brought the price down to around the $60,000 mark, which seems to be providing some support. However, the volume hasn't been particularly high during this decline, suggesting that the selling pressure may not be as intense as it was in previous downtrends. The fact that the price has found some support at this level could be a sign that Bitcoin is preparing to bounce back, especially with the recent positive news about potential rate cuts. The daily chart suggests that the selling pressure is easing, but the price is still in a downtrend. If the price manages to break above the $63,000 level, which was the recent high before the pullback, it could signal a change in the trend and a potential bullish reversal. However, if the price falls below the $60,000 mark, it could indicate that the selling pressure is still strong and the downtrend could continue. The daily chart doesn't provide a definitive answer on where Bitcoin is headed, but it suggests that the price is at a crucial point and could move in either direction. Let's zoom in on the one-hour chart to see what's happening in the short term. Here, we can see that Bitcoin has been oscillating between the $60,000 and $63,000 levels for the past few hours. The candles are primarily red, indicating that the price has been trending downwards for the most part, although there are some green candles that show signs of bullish pressure. The hourly chart suggests that the market is indecisive and is likely waiting for a catalyst to make a significant move. This indecision is further highlighted by the lack of high volume during these oscillations. The hourly chart doesn't provide a strong signal of where Bitcoin will go in the short term. If the price breaks above the $63,000 level, it could signal a short-term bullish reversal and potentially drive the price higher. But if the price falls below the $60,000 level, it could indicate that the sellers are gaining momentum and the price could continue to fall. The hourly chart is more volatile and less clear than the daily chart, making it harder to predict short-term movements. To get a closer look at the immediate action, let's check out the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart showcases even more volatility and rapid price fluctuations. The candles are a mix of green and red, highlighting the constant battle between buyers and sellers. The 15-minute chart is highly susceptible to short-term noise and shouldn't be used to make long-term predictions. However, this chart is useful for identifying potential entry and exit points for short-term trades. For example, if the price breaks above a resistance level with high volume, it could be a signal to enter a long position, aiming to capitalize on a potential short-term bullish surge. Conversely, if the price breaks below a support level with high volume, it could be a signal to enter a short position, anticipating a short-term decline. The 15-minute chart is incredibly volatile and provides a real-time snapshot of market activity, but it should be used with extreme caution. Looking back at the past week on the hourly chart, we can see a clear pattern. The price has been forming a series of higher highs and higher lows, suggesting that the market is consolidating before a potential breakout. This consolidation pattern is often seen before a significant move, either upwards or downwards. The hourly chart suggests that Bitcoin is consolidating between the $60,000 and $63,000 levels, and a breakout in either direction is likely to happen soon. However, the direction of the breakout remains uncertain, and it's crucial to wait for confirmation before making any trades. The high volume on the 15-minute chart suggests that the market is ready for a move, but the direction is still uncertain. Overall, the chart data suggests that Bitcoin is at a crucial point and could move in either direction. The daily chart suggests that the selling pressure is easing, but the price is still in a downtrend. The hourly chart suggests that the market is consolidating between the $60,000 and $63,000 levels, and a breakout in either direction is likely to happen soon. The 15-minute chart is incredibly volatile and provides a real-time snapshot of market activity. The high volume on the 15-minute chart suggests that the market is ready for a move, but the direction is still uncertain. If the price breaks above the $63,000 level, it could signal a change in the trend and a potential bullish reversal. If the price falls below the $60,000 mark, it could indicate that the selling pressure is still strong and the downtrend could continue. It's important to remember that the market is constantly evolving and the news and chart data can change quickly. Therefore, it's crucial to be cautious and wait for clear confirmation before making any trades. Stay tuned for more in-depth analysis and updates on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on Explain the Charts.